Dala met his match. Bruno wasn't shaken when Dala came to kick them out. In fact, he got Tlogit to go fetch the ransom money, but Dala was like, nope, I'll do it myself. There's no way my wife is doing that. Tlogit panicked and went to confess to Captain Cohen. Dintle says Tloso should have stayed with Madlomo. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. Dala is now worried that since these people are now cornering Tlogit, there's nothing they can do since if they go to the police won't believe them because Mdala has a whole lot of crimes that he's committed in the past. So they won't believe them. So now it's going to be like obstruction of justice. So Mdala's like, let me handle this my own way. And then they go to the apartment to talk to Bruno and Minky. Dala got there, used his own tricks. He just scares people off, telling them that they need to leave. Bruno was not even shaken, told him because he's not going anywhere unless they want to find their location or their escape. I'd say Ari, Filo, we're not going anywhere. In fact, we're not Tlogit. And then they get a call. The Muna Minky, the husband, phoned and said that he wants to bring in the ransom money. Bruno decided that Tlogit will be the one to go and fetch the ransom money and bring it to them and said that he'll send him the location and time. Now, Dala is like, there's no way my wife is going to get money. I'd rather do it myself. My wife is not going to do that. You must be out of your mind if you think I let my wife do that for you. And then Bruno is even like, I don't know, like so relaxed about it, chilled about it, saying them to never get caught. Like we can just see what's this guy, it's happy man. Dada is even like going. The funny part is that Dada is even agreeing, is willing to go through this thing because he doesn't want them implicated. Lima Police decides that he's going to be the one to go fetch the money because he doesn't want his wife to end up in jail. Floka then panicked and went to see Captain Cohen saying, I need your help. I wasn't entirely honest with you. My guy starts confessing about the Mickey Masemula kidnapping case. I was not completely honest with you. So Pila wants to confess to Captain Cohen and tell him everything. Will Captain Cohen believe them or this is just going to implicate him directly? And then Tutuko is busy interrogating everyone in Lini, Madlomo, Ulihle, going on about the PC condom in Tole Unhloso. And Madlomo is panicking because she knows Ayak. And then Tutuko starts questioning Lihle, but Lihle like, hey, because Lihle caught it early on, it belongs to her mom, Nomtunes. And then Unhloso, okay. Apparently, Dintle wants him to buy a 3 million house. Untloso is like, no ways, there's no I'm doing that. I have kids I have to support. Udintle's like, no man, Ulihle can get a bursary or a student loan. Ututuko futhi mdala. I need this house. Mina ngifuna le ndlu le. Untloso is like, nope, it's too expensive. We can look at other houses that are within my budget. That's hey, we can have a joint bond, but wahan. Now that's the house I want. If you knew Gusi you want a pushover for your wife, you should have stayed with Madlomo. Eh banna. So Unhloso is told she should have stayed with Madlomo because Dintle is not that kind of a woman. She wants a 3 million house. Unhloso does not see himself paying for that and does not want Dintle helping him. And then Kiriboni hears ukuthi he thinks Mamsi is Bosusu sister yay also hi mama hi. And then now they start talking about Minky Umams was seen with Semide at the ATM. And now Umams, because she's making money from this thing of sleeping with men, now she's saying that she can afford Batala the apartment. And now Ukiriboni hears from Ugasa ukuthi Semide ubanjwe inkunzi, like there's this woman that sort of like this like magna prostitute now levels. Okay, one puts one and two together and realizes that is Mamsi. So Mamsi is selling her boy. Mamsi is a prostitute, and okay, one wants to tell Upototo, but Gasa's like, no man, don't do that. And Matubela found them sitting on the couch. Ugasa and Okidibone and was not happy about that. Or maybe it's just because Usakwate Chikidibone about this thing of cooking Mamsi out of the house. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.